Holy moly.
Yeah. That's what was there.
There's nothing left of it at all, is there?
No, not really.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome along to another what's going on in the workshop at the MX5 Restorer weekly update. Only getting one video done this week. A lot going on and yeah, bits and pieces to do, so let's get on with it. So in the car park, Gareth Supra, Ashlee's Micra, Jim's MX5, Jim's Supra, Roy's MX5. Pretty much most of the car park is filled with like most of the staff's cars. So little story behind Jim's Supra actually. If anyone in this video, I won't tell him that I've made comments about this, but if anyone wants to know comments about what he did to his Supra at the weekend, put some comments up and see if he'll divulge on the next weekly update, if he gets pressured enough to do it. So this silver Mark 1 came to us for some bits and pieces and straightened front cross members, but worse than what was first expected, but we're waiting to hear from that. The low mileage grey one that came to us has had the caliper done, waiting to be picked up, and a few other bits. Cam belt water pump done on this one, on this Mark 2. That's all done. This one was done last week. This is the engine change. Mechanical bits were done, and I think it's going to have a full repaint now. So we're waiting to start work on that. Gareth's MX5 is here. It hasn't been featured on the channel that much. He doesn't really bother with it. He's got too many other things going on in his life at the moment. And the black Mark 1, the running issue, is still here. We thought it was going last week, but it hasn't. Not that it is still running okay. I think the lady just couldn't come and pick it up. So that's why that's still there. This Mark 3 as well. So this has come back from the paint. So I did this arch on it last week, and yeah, so that's come back from the paint shop, all looking good. Just got to be put back together. Yeah, it's nice. So not much actually waiting to be done in the car park. I think we're pretty much on top of things this week. Not too much overhanging, which is always good. I like to keep things like that. Let's go and see what the guys are doing. You alright?
I'll shave my job well.
Sweeper. How's it been going? There's quite a lot of rust on the floor here. That's a lot of crud for chassis rails.
Quite bad.
Looks like you've got an extra hole up there as well.
Yeah, so the one from this side is this one.
Holy moly.
Yeah, that's what was there.
There's nothing left of it at all, is there?
No, not really. Pretty bad. The other side had been patched. Actually, we had a patch there.
Yeah.
Also the patch there. Funny thing is, the continuation of this patch, which goes on this bit here on the other side.
Yeah.
I didn't even have to grind or cut off.
Didn't you?
I screwed on it, tapped it, and it fell off.
Awkward place to get into, isn't it though? with everything in there. If you haven't
Yeah.
stripped all the front down, which is probably what they didn't do.
Yeah. So, but yeah, that's why we replaced them. So the other side's the inner's done. We've got the inner. We've cut out for the outer panel. Just needs cleaning up. It's over there, drying at the primer.
Alright.
So we'll we'll clean this up and we'll get to this stage over here. And we'll start tacking it in.
Nice.
Back side of it. And then once this is welded in, I won't weld down the front edge here. Because what I'll do, this bit here, I won't weld down there because there's nothing to weld to.
Yeah.
So what I should do is, I've got some quite thick gauge steel, what I should do is I shall through plate across here and across and straight across there, just put a square plate over that. And I'll do something lights in the runner. I've got to do something up here as well.
Oh yeah.
Because the outer skin's rotten. I might just sort of nick that with a grinder and try and get it
Take it out.
Take that out and then put another piece in. So yeah, they're quite bad. But
Rear's all done, isn't it?
Back end's finished now. So
This would have been on the last
what's on the last one?
weekly up. Oh, did you start it at the beginning of the week?
Yeah, I started this Monday.
Yeah, so it wasn't on the last
No, it wasn't.
weekly update. No, I haven't done one this week.
Have you not?
No.
It's slacking.
Yeah, lots of other bits going on. So Roy,
So yeah, this was only started Monday. So we've done inner sill, outer sill arch, full inner arch,
yeah,
jacking points on both sides. So it was quite rock. The other side's been done before. It was full of filler.
was it the same scenario this side?
Same scenario, yeah. So inner sill, outer sill, arch panel, full inner arch.
Yeah.
And again, jacking point. Funny enough, the ceiling plate was actually okay. So
Got quite a bit done, haven't you?
yeah.
Do you think you'll get those floor rails done for tomorrow? Not floor rails, chassis rails done for tomorrow mid-morning-ish lunchtime.
Yeah. Yeah, that'll be done tomorrow. I'll have them welded in today and probably
Get it out to paint maybe.
panel sealed and undersealed
Stone chip.
undersealed.
Yeah, underseal.
Well, I've got to do, no, I won't go to paint. I've got
You got underseal to do.
I've got underseal to do and full service to do.
Oh, okay. That won't be till next week then.
So no.
That's Tuesday-ish, Wednesday.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Oh, let's do it from this actually. Yeah, underseal, coolant flush, engine flush, and full service and MOT. And that's not being done now.
Yeah, it's still got some bits to do on there, isn't there?
It's still here for another couple of weeks yet, so
Alright.
we'll go to paint sort of over part next week. But I'll get the chassis rails from today and get it back together and up and running tomorrow mid-morning.
Cool.
So,
Thanks, Roy.
alright, I'll probably come in. Probably not a little bit, so I'll probably come in.
Yeah, you do. You do look a bit grubby.
Well,
Right, so I have been getting on with the Le Mans. So I literally got this on my ramp this morning, and I've got to sort out this issue. So I was in the process of stripping this all down. I wanted to get the video done, so there's a hole there as well. Is that a hole? Yeah, there's a hole there. Let's have a little tap of that while we're here. See how much bigger I can make that. Got a problem there. So that'll be door off, clean this whole area up. I think I'll get away with leaving the dash in. I'll just have to put some protection on that, cover it all up, and then start grinding away and cut this out. I'm sorry, you can't see that, can you? Clean this up, see where I've got to cut out, and then come around here, sort this hole out. Let's have a little stab. No, that's not too bad. The other side's worse. Pretty bad. I don't know if it's got worse since we... There we go. So plan is get all this done, get the other side done. This side is actually looking alright here. I'll clean that side up as well. And then once this rust work's done, it's a case of going over the car. Let's just see what other rust areas need to be done, because I want to get the rust areas done while it's over here, and then it's going to go to the other ramp, and then we're going to start stripping it down, subframes off, cleaning underneath up. Go from there. Alright. That's what I'm on with at the moment. Going to see Jim. Doing with that big drill, Jim. What have you been doing over here?
Unseal.
Shiny metal bits.
Shiny metal bits.
So this is a Skid Nation Superior Performance floor rail brace. How'd it go on?
Yeah, go on alright. Bit awkward to get on.
Yeah, a bit heavier, isn't it, than just...
You definitely need 2 people to get it in.
Yeah. Looks kind of cool though. So floor braces and underseal, I guess.
Yeah.
Judging by the shininess of the underneath of the car. Good clean up. Straightforward.
Yeah, it wasn't too bad. In the scheme of things.
Yeah, looks alright, isn't it? Needs a few other bits that Jim came across, but we've notified the customer of that, haven't we? We're just waiting to hear what he wants to do with it, isn't he?
Yeah. The UK car, it's pretty good.
Is it UK, is it?
I think so. Oh, the number plates are out. So.
Yeah. It's a UK car. That was probably one of the issues. Alright. Oh. My wife's here.
Trouble now.
Hang on. Do you want to say hello to everyone on YouTube, Miles? Say hello. Come here. This is my wife and my boy have just popped in to see us. Do you want to say hello, Miles? Say hello to everyone. Yeah. He likes. Although Christmas has just gone, who are you underneath your jacket, Miles? Who are you? Superman. But he also rocks the Father Christmas trousers and the Father Christmas jacket still. High five. Not dead, kids. My hand's dirty. Give me a high five. Give me a high five. Right, I'm gonna have to. Hang on. I'm gonna have to pause this video and get back to it. Okay, sorry about that. Got distracted. Wife and kids came in, so obviously that takes priority. She is the most important thing in my life. It's right, Ash?
Yep.
Would you
Done that yet?
Hey?
You've not done that yet?
Well, I've done the video, but I obviously done everything else apart from you.
No, I was trying to stay out of the video. Busy avoiding.
Busy avoiding me, I know that. That's why I wait for you to come in.
No, right.
How are you? You were on this actually the last... No, you weren't.
No,
You only started this on Monday, didn't you?
No, late Friday, but I don't really start. What? It's like he's screaming.
I don't know, there's something going on there, isn't there? Right, so how are we getting on?
Well, right, all the time you've got getting that camera
Jim.
out, I'm not.
Huh?
All the time you've got that camera out, I'm not.
So, what have you done on this? Jim!
Welding.
What have you been doing then?
Welding.
Come on.
Sills. Arches.
Well, everyone at home's going, yes, I can see in the sill, I can see a rear sill end plate, I can see cuts to the inner arch lip. They're probably diagnosing this car quicker than what you are these days.
Oh no, I've already diagnosed it and repaired it. It's just, I know they're intelligent enough to see it for themselves.
You got this side's all done? Looks like, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Nice job there, Ash.
Of course it is.
Sweet. Is it just this you're doing on the car and then it's off to paint? Have you got anything else to do?
It's just this.
So helpful.
Well, be more helpful.
Comment below how helpful Ashlee is. I'll have this conversation every time. I think it's getting really tiring and boring, but I don't know if you guys like it. Let us know.
I just want to get some work done.
Yeah, I know,
Is that
but it's
so
part
hard?
of the show. It's part of like the what's going on in the workshop to be like enthusiastic.
You don't pay me to be enthusiastic. You pay me to do.
But
my
I'm
job.
actually paying you right now to do nothing.
Yeah. Well, I'm going to do even less then.
Thanks, Ash. Pleasurable as always. Right, that's enough of that awkwardness. Ashlee is only joking and being funny. So, again, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you on the next one. Gonna say hi, wife.
Hi.